Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews. And today I've got another episode of The Search for Snacks. And I was in 7-Eleven the other day. I was looking for things in there. In particular, I was looking for some of the classic candy and some of the other things, and I ran across these and I've had them for a little while and I just hadn't got to them. I thought they'd be interesting to try. I don't know if I've seen this particular flavor from someone else, and this is from 7-Eleven, and it's called 7-Eleven 7 Select. It says certified rockin' flavor, and this one is buffalo chicken dip wavy style chips, flavored wavy potato chips. And I don't know, it's supposed to be like the buffalo dip, but they got the picture up here. We'll find out. The calorie content on this for 1 ounce is 150 calories and 390 milligrams of sodium, all this other fun stuff. See there. And it says, imagine your favorite buffalo chicken wings, but better, bolder, and spicier. That is what you will find in our new fiery buffalo chicken dip potato chip. Made from farm-grown potatoes, these chips are hot, bold, and rippling with flavor. So there you go. We'll find out if they're really hot or not. I don't know. Normally when they boast these things, they're not that hot, but you never know. They could throw me a curveball and I don't know. So, open this up. Smelling more potato than anything, and these were like, I believe they were like $1, or it was either $1 or $2. I don't know for this bag. I don't remember exactly. They had like a special if you buy two, you get for $1 a piece or something like that. But yeah, here we go. Here's the chip, and it's gonna be, it's got that little red coating on it, and that's the buffalo sauce. And well, here we go. Give it a try for you guys out there. Whoop. Chip down. It's a little thicker, wavy style. Tasting more salt on that. Okay. Now I'm getting a little bit of that buffalo flavor. It's pretty well coated. The chip itself, nice and crunchy. It is a little salty. I'm mostly tasting salt on that. I'm getting a little hint of buffalo sauce. One more time. Trying to get a taste of the flavor. Okay. That's not bad. I can taste that. It's a little bit of heat, a little bit of that flavor coming through, that buffalo sauce flavor. It's not bad. Pretty good representation of the buffalo style wings, and I can kind of taste that, like the saucy flavor when you pour it over the chicken wings. I'm not tasting like chicken to it. It's just the dip, so it's actually pretty good. They do have a lot. Tasting that vinegary kind of hot sauce, yeah. A little bit of salt, a little bit of hot, a little bit of vinegar. Not too bad. Comes through a lot more than some of the ones that I've tried. So this is actually pretty good. I'll give you a rating on buffalo chicken dip flavored wavy chips from 7-Eleven. Not bad. Give those an 8 out of 11. They're pretty good. They're a little salty, but then again, buffalo style dip does have a lot of vinegar and salty and kind of real acidic flavor to it. Glad it's in a small bag because I don't know that I want one of those big bags of these. I'd probably have salt overload and burn my mouth off. So if you've got a 7-Eleven and they happen to have them in the store, go ahead and give them a try. See if you like them. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell right over here. That way you won't miss any future content. You won't miss when I go live. And you'll be able to see all my fun-filled reviews that are in the future. So also you can look through my library. There's lots of different things out there to check out. And you can check them out at your leisure. Go through my playlist, go through some of my past reviews. And yeah, there's quite a few of them out there. More and more every day. So until next time on Drew's Food Reviews, I'll talk to you later, and one more for the road. So until next time, I'll talk to you later.